Motorola RAZR 40 Ultra. The Motorola RAZR 40 Ultra manages to seamlessly blend nostalgia with innovation, delivering a unique smartphone experience that appeals to those who fondly remember the original RAZR while still craving the features and capabilities of modern smartphones. Design and build. The star of the show is undoubtedly the design. The RAZR 40 Ultra brilliantly captures the iconic clamshell shape of the original RAZR, tugging at the heartstrings of anyone who owned one back in the day. The premium materials and construction are evident, offering a satisfyingly solid feel in hand. The hinge mechanism is refined and feels durable, though it might still raise concerns about long-term reliability. Display. The foldable OLED display is impressive, providing vibrant colors and deep blacks. The 6.7-inch main screen offers a generous canvas for multimedia consumption, and the secondary 7-inch quick view display on the exterior is a clever addition for quick notifications and interactions. However, the crease where the screen folds is still noticeable from certain angles, slightly affecting the overall visual experience. Performance. The RAZR 40 Ultra is powered by a capable mid-range processor that handles day-to-day tasks with ease. Apps open smoothly, and multitasking is generally fluid. However, for heavy gaming and intensive tasks, the performance might not match that of flagship smartphones. The device handles most tasks well, but there is still some room for improvement in this department. Camera. The camera system is serviceable but falls short of the high expectations set by flagship devices. The main 50MP sensor captures decent photos in well-lit conditions, but struggles a bit in low-light situations. The selfie camera, located within the quick view display notch, is passable but not exceptional. The camera software does a commendable job, but it lacks some advanced features found in competitors' offerings. Battery life. The battery life is satisfactory, thanks in part to the optimization of the mid-range processor and the relatively compact main display. Most users can comfortably get through a day of moderate use without reaching for a charger. The device supports fast charging, which is a boon when you're in a hurry to top up. Software. The software experience is decent, with a near-stock version of Android. However, the software updates and support might be areas of concern, as Motorola's track record in this aspect has been inconsistent. While the user interface is clean and intuitive, the software updates need to be timely and consistent to maintain the device's performance and security. Conclusion. The Motorola RAZR 40 Ultra is a nostalgia-laden smartphone that stands out for its unique design and the blend of retro charm with modern technology. Its foldable form factor and distinctive look certainly make it a head-turner, and the performance, while not flagship grade, is more than sufficient for most users. However, the camera performance and software support could use some enhancement to truly make it a standout device in its price range. If you're looking for a conversation-starting device that brings back memories of the past, while still offering a taste of the present, the RAZR 40 Ultra is definitely worth considering. If you purchase this product, please check the description. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel SK Tech 24.